Hello again, it's our Sunstay Roofing. We're here in Southside Gympie, and yeah, as you know, they've been hit with a hailstorm, and I just wanted to go through whether metal battens can be reused or not. So I'll just give you an example of how we check that, and how to identify different brands, which really only professional will know. So I'll flip you around and we'll talk about that. Alrighty, as you can see, we've got edge protection on here. So some battens you can reuse. The manufacturer's engineered testing, and they'll allow reuse. So what we do is we just open up a roof sheet. We pull back the insert, and then we have a look at the battens. And as you can see, there's two holes here which don't match up with the sheeting at the moment. So therefore these battens have already been reused, and they will require replacement when we're doing the re-roof. So if there's only one single hole, and this is a certain type of manufacturer batten, which we can identify, this is Metrol, so it is a you can use this batten twice, but it has already been reused, so we'll have to replace this batten. And if we're replacing battens, we have to remove the insert, and this is all covered by insurance because it's a requirement to bring it up to Australian Standard Code and to ensure that there's a warranty. So that's pretty much how we check it. And then when we do a roof inspection, that's part of the inspection. We open up a sheet and just check what battens there are, what brand it is, whether it can be reused, and if it's been reused before. You'll probably find in Southside Gympie, a lot of these did get hit with a hailstorm back in 2019. So yeah, we check everything thoroughly in different sections of the roof too, just to make sure, because a lot of them have been re-roofed, and yeah, some of them need replacement. Thank you.